Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Drama Player application to your Fire Stick, which is needed, for example, for the HDL box to work, as well as some other applications. The whole process is gonna be pretty easy, and it will take you just a couple of minutes. And the first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. Let's just go to search on your device. So you open the search bar and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's just click on it. And here is that orange application, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to settings. So let's do that together. You open the settings on your Fire Stick by going here, and then the next step is we need to go to the My Fire TV. Open it, and from here you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go into About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options that have appeared for us now. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then head into installation of unknown apps. And from here, what you have to do is locate downloader. Here it is, and turn the option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So the next step is we return back to a list of apps on a Fire TV Stick. Here it is. And now and there, you will be able to locate the downloader application, as you can see. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps on your device. There it is, and let's locate the downloader now. Open it up on your device. just like that. And now here at the top in the search bar, you'll need to enter the code to download the app. So the code is going to be 5316910. So again, 5316910. That's the code that you have to enter now. After that, click next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And the download of the app has started now. Usually that takes just a couple of seconds. Then you click on install and wait until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click on open yet, instead it's better to press done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. Now we return back to a list of apps near Fire TV. Here it is, and when you scroll to the right side, you will be able to locate the drama player which we just got. However, before actually using the drama player, of course, as always, don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.